Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable IRA rollover plan using Betterment for smarter deductions step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Betterment account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the retirement section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled IRA accounts. Select rollover from the available options. You will be prompted to choose the type of IRA you want to roll over to Betterment. Choose either a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, depending on your financial situation. Next, follow the instructions to provide information from your current retirement account. Enter details such as the account number and the financial institution holding your funds. Betterment will guide you through the form, ensuring you complete every required field. After filling in your account information, review the details carefully for accuracy. Then, proceed to the next step, where you will select the funds you wish to transfer. You may have the option to transfer all funds or select specific investments. Once you've made your selection, confirm the transfer request. Betterment will generate a rollover request form for you to download. Print and sign this form as required, then send it to your current retirement plan provider. Check the instructions provided by your current provider to ensure the form is sent correctly. After you've submitted the form, monitor your email for any updates from both providers. It may take several days to a few weeks for the transfer to be completed. Once the rollover is finalized, log back into your Betterment account. Review your new IRA balance and allocated investments. Finally, adjust your investment settings according to your financial goals and risk tolerance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.